I'm going to show you the top 7 solution to fix DxgKrnl.sys blue error screen on Windows 10. The DxgKrnl system is a BSOD error and is related to Microsoft DirectX driver, and when this appears, the system reboots. Well, this is quite frustrating, and if you are also receiving this system error, then follow the fixes given one by one carefully. But before moving towards these fixes, check out the reason responsible for the DxgKrnl system Windows 10 error and the common error related to DxgKrnl system. Here are the most common DxgKrnl system error message encountered by the Windows 10 users. So you can see this problem. Your PC ran into a problem and needs to restart. We are just collecting some error info and then will restart for you. You can see this message. Also, this message, a problem has been detected and Windows has been shut down to prevent damage to your computer. ERQL not less or equal. Or you can see your PC run into a problem and needs to restart. We're just collecting some error info and then we restart for you to So what is the causes of DxgKrnl system blue screen error? Well, there are many different reasons due to which DxgKrnl system blue screen error appears on the Windows 10 system. Windows registry corruption from recent DxgKrnl system related tools. The DxgKrnl system files gets corrupted with malware or virus infections after installing new software or hardware. The DxgKrnl system file gets corrupted or due to incompatible or outdated graphics card driver or RAM corruption. So there are some of the possible reasons for the DxgKrnl system blue screen error. Now follow the solution given to fix this problem. Solution number 1 is by updating the graphics card. As said, many users are encountering the DxgKrnl system blue screen error due to outdated or incompatible graphics card. So make sure your graphic card driver like Nvidia or AMD are compatible and updated with your latest Windows 10 system. Well, to update them, go to Microsoft official site website if you don't have Nvidia or AMD, or the manufacturer's website, and search for the latest update compatible with your system, download it and install it. But don't worry, I will give you a solution, a very a solution that you can buy a software that's called Driver Navigator, that I will let you the link in the description to download it and to update the driver successfully. But if you want to do it manually, if you have AMD or GeForce, Nvidia, if you want to do manually, all you have to do is go to your navigator, I will open H, then go to Google. If you have Nvidia, all you have to do is to type Nvidia, enter, then go to the manufacturer's site, then go to the driver, here the type of the product. If you have, in my case, I don't have GeForce or I don't have Nvidia, I have AMD, but I will show you an example. If I have an example GeForce Nvidia 1060 TX, I will check in the product serial. If you have an example a laptop but don't have a desktop PC, you have a laptop, you're gonna to choose notebooks. But if you have an example a PC, you're gonna to check that the drive that don't have here notebooks. In your case, if you have, I have the Nvidia GeForce 1060 GTX. I will choose this series. If you have 900 series or 700 series or 600 series, you're going to choose this. If you have 600 series, you're going to choose this 6 series. If you have 600 series under laptop, you're going to choose notebooks. That's the way of. In my case, I will choose this. In example, this the 1060. Then in the product, if I have an example GTX 1060, here we choose the system to exploit the operating system. In my case, I have Windows 10. In example, if you have Windows 10 or if you have I will choose Windows 10 64-bit, and in the pilot type of the, let it like that, and in the language you can choose the language you want, then click on research, and here it gives you to download the software. So after downloading the software, you're gonna to open it and let it install. And if you have AMD graphic card, you're gonna to go to AMD and go to pilot, driver and support, then graphic. If your case, if you have in my case, I have the 5080 RX Nvidia. I will choose this. Then Radeon. RX. I will choose this. Then this. Then click on this. Validate. Then choose the system, the operating system you have. In my case, I have Windows 10. Then I will click on download here or here. If you have, you're gonna to download the latest one. In this case, the latest one is this one because it is released on 2/4/2020, and here released on the month number 3 in March, and here in April, and you're gonna to choose this and download. But don't worry, I will let you a genuine way to download the latest version of your graphic card by a software given in the description. So that's the first solution. The second solution is to disable SLE. If you have two Nvidia graphic cards in your system, then this is why you are getting the DxgKrnl system Windows 10 error. Commonly, the gamers use SLE mode to get better game performance. So in order to fix the BSOD error, it is advised to disable SLE by applying the below given steps. Follow the steps to do so. I don't have Nvidia, but I will show you an example when you open how to do it. Open Nvidia control panel by double clicking on the icon that you will see here of Nvidia. In my case, I have AMD, but here you go. But in your case, I will see if you have AMD, you're gonna to check AMD. But if you have Nvidia, you will see Nvidia logo here. I'm gonna to double click on it, then navigate to 3D settings here, and then click in set SLE configuration. Then select here do not use SLE technology, and lastly click on apply to save changes. So now check if the DxgKrnl.sys Windows 10 error is resolved or not. But if not, then follow the solution number 3. That is, the solution number 3 is to disable the surround Nvidia that allow the user to enjoy the 3D experience on multiple monitors. This is an amazing feature to gamers, but in Windows 10 this feature generates a blue screen of this error. Due to this feature, the DxgKrnl error appears and also gives you system the kernel BSOD error. So that if you want to fix the issue, then turn Nvidia surround off or use the shortcut to turn it off by typing CTRL+ALT+S or CTRL+ALT+R, then turn it off. You can also set Nvidia surround to off by simply unplugging other monitors and restart it with only one monitor. If this solution doesn't fix your problem, then go to solution number 4. The solution number 4 is by updating or reinstalling the DirectX. So by updating, or here you need to update your DirectX and check if the issue is resolved. But if updating the DirectX not work for you, then reinstall DirectX. By doing so, you can replace corrupt or incompatible components of DirectX from your computer, and it is estimated that the DxgKrnl system error is resolved. So if this solution doesn't fix your problem, then go to solution number 5. The solution number 5 is by changing graphics memory size in BIOS. So some users reported that by changing graphics memory size in BIOS, this error can be fixed. In case you are using integrated graphics, you should change the graphics memory size in BIOS. Apply the given step to change the settings. Open System BIOS by restarting your computer, then click here Restart, and after that by pressing F2 or F10. But this on your keyboard, but this key may be different for different system till your computer boots. but don't worry, I will give you the key of each each different system and how to to boot from BIOS by different system. After that, go to advanced, then advanced chipset or advanced feature menu. Find graphic settings. I will you will go to advanced first step. When you open your BIOS, first go to advanced, then advanced chipset or advanced features menu, then find graphic settings or video settings and change the memory size to 128 megabytes or more. So not the process of changing memory size for the integrated graphic card is not the same for all computers. If this solution doesn't give you or doesn't solve the problem, then go to solution number 6. The solution number 6, by checking your hardware malfunctions. As said, the error DxgKrnl system can be encountered due to the faulty RAM module or motherboard. So here you need to check the RAM module or motherboard, but if you are not technically advanced, then take it to the repair shop and check for a hardware malfunction. So if this solution still doesn't solve the problem, then go to solution 7, that is by running blue screen troubleshooter. So to do that, go to settings, apps, then go to Windows Update. Then here, if you have the problem, the blue screen problem, you will find here blue screen, and here you will find in the right corner run troubleshooter. You're gonna to click on it and follow on the on-screen instruction and wait for the work process to finish. Lastly, restart your computer. So now check, after restarting, check if the problem is resolved. So if the problem doesn't fix is this method, the 7 method doesn't fix your problem, and you have followed all the solution given for the and you still facing the DxgKrnl system blue screen error, then all you have to do is to run the PC repair tool that I will let you the link in the description. The PC repair tool is an advanced repair tool that just by scanning once detects and fix various Windows related uses and errors. With this you can fix registry error, DLL error, application error, protect your PC from viruses and malware infection and much more. This also optimizes the Windows PC performance. So in conclusion, this is all about DxgKrnl system blue screen error in Windows 10. I tried my best to put together, but for resolving the blue screen error in Windows 10, make sure that you have followed the given fix one by one carefully, and make sure your system error is free. If none the solution works for you, then as I said, try running the automatic repair utility. So good luck, and if you have any question, don't hesitate to post a comment. I will be happy to reply. And also, if uh, if you like my video, don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel for more support, and also for more video and tutorial like this. So hope you are doing well, guys. See you soon on the next tutorial. Bye.